Friends, this is the foldable Harmony OS computer called Huawei Matebook Fold Overthrow Master, now opening. Oh, so big! Next, here is a white leather computer bag with fur inside, a 140-watt Type-C charging port, and this is a Bluetooth keyboard. Wow, the texture is great and it's very thin, and there is a Type-C port here for charging, and there is a switch, but none of these are the main point. This is. When opened, the back is made of a bark texture, which feels a bit hard. Beside it is a rectangular stand that can open and close. The color I have is white, and when unfolded, the thickness is roughly like this, very thin. Then after turning it on, wow, can you see it? This is an 18-inch large screen, it's really huge. First, let's feel its crease. Currently, this crease is very shallow, and even under reflection, it's almost imperceptible. This is not only the industry's largest foldable screen water drop hinge, but also the world's largest dual-layer OLED display. Now let's do the first fold, and after folding, look, it fits perfectly. Oh, and here's a detail. In the folded state, just press this main side button. See it? It will pop open. It uses a reverse torque assist button to spring it open. Wow, I think this idea is fantastic because the folding screen of a computer is different from that of a phone. Firstly, its size is much larger, and secondly, the resistance when unfolding is stronger, so it needs this button to help us pop it open. Additionally, I tested its hovering angle, and it can range from about 30 degrees to 150 degrees. Stable hovering. And note, this is a computer, right? When we're discussing work, everyone will definitely use their fingers to tap this screen, right? And this screen is itself a touch screen. So in the hovering state, I use my finger to tap this screen. See? It's still stable in this state. Then continue to open it. When the angle exceeds 170 degrees, it gradually flattens itself. So it has two forms. When folded, it's a 13-inch laptop state. When unfolded, it's an 18-inch world's largest foldable screen computer. First, in the folded state, tap lightly on the lower screen. See? It can evoke the feel of a virtual keyboard. Feel it when you press it. Not only is there a sound, but it also comes with a linear motor that provides a strong vibration. In the settings, both the vibration and sound can be adjusted. And this keyboard can be customized. Look, this is macaron with different colors, even a gradient blue, right everyone? Because it's a screen. The customization potential for the keyboard it's very large. This is the physical keyboard that just came with it. It can snap directly to the bottom. This is a normal state of a laptop, right? But it cannot be closed, see? When I try to close it, did you hear that? It will make when the keyboard is attached in this state, what will happen for sound? The lower screen is covered. What if I want to display content? I swipe the upper screen and it appears on top like pages turning. If at this time there is an application displayed below before I attach the keyboard, when I attach the keyboard, it will automatically push the application up, and after lifting the keyboard, the application will automatically return below. Next, in the folded state, open an application. First flick your finger and the application can go to the lower screen, and it can also return. Window in a grid view, spread fingers to enlarge. You see it can enlarge further, even more, and then shrink down. Swipe up and down. Do you feel it? Especially smooth. And we open Bilibili, spread fingers to enlarge. Then, when opening a video, enlarge it again, see the comment section. At this time, it appears at the bottom, allowing you to watch the video and view the comment section simultaneously. Then this is a spreadsheet. In the 13-inch state, it shows content like a regular notebook. But next, I unfold it horizontally. Did you see that? This is the 18-inch state. When rotated horizontally, it is fully displayed. And in the horizontal 18-inch state, the rear stand I mentioned earlier comes into play. This stand can be adjusted at a wide angle and especially for other stability. There. So at this time, can connect a Bluetooth keyboard, and this becomes an 18-inch computer. You see, it's awesome. And in the unfolded state, we use it vertically and open a window. If your application happens to be in the middle of the screen, when I fold it down, it will automatically move the application up or to the bottom, not occupying the middle. One advantage of its positioning is that it supports side swipe gestures for returning in any state. So its experience is consistent with that of phones and tablets, and this is also the experience that Windows does not have. So far, my experience has shown that the HarmonyOS foldable computer has a very high level of hardware and software completeness. Oh, by the way, that magnetic keyboard can be attached to the back of the computer, making it convenient to carry. So what do you think, everyone? How do you feel about the first HarmonyOS foldable computer? At this moment, I already feel that the future has arrived.